Hey everybody, hi, welcome. Thanks so much for stopping by and hanging a bit today. We're going to be talking Nordstrom Anniversary Sale. If you're new, I'm Laura. I sure hope you stick around for that long haul. Hit that subscribe so I can keep on doing this. So I think the Nordstrom Anniversary Sale is always so much fun. I didn't get to spend as much time this year going through all the previews, so I have a much smaller curated collection than I typically have to share with you this time, but I think we have some goodies in here. I did focus on premium denim as well as some fun shoes, and I have a couple beauty products we're going to start with that I think are going to be fun. All right, let's get into it. So first up, I have the Kiehl's Creme Decor Refill. So if you have not tried Creme Decor, you should. I use this every night on my heels. It works amazing, but it is an all-over body moisturizer, so you could use it for your entire body. The refill is a great deal, so if you already have the pump bottle, which I do, then this refill is definitely worth grabbing. I got it for $55. That's the first one. Try this out. It's really good. Don't worry, all the links for everything will be down below. And the anniversary sale runs until August 9th. So get shopping, everybody. August 9th. So the other thing I picked up is the Salt & Stone Bergamot and Hinoki Body Wash Duo. So you get two of them. The smell of these is so amazing. It smells like a spa. So if you would like your bathroom to smell like a spa, this is the way to go. But I really wanted to try these out. It says an aromatic gel cleanser infused with seaweed extract and hyaluronic acid for a rich, hydrating lather that leaves skin soft and smooth. So for that one, it has a $72 value, and I got it for $49. Okay, so now let's get into some outfits. First outfit, I have on Mother Denim. This is a nice straight leg. I think it's called the Kick It. I always love Mother Denim. They're always super expensive, and I always check those out first on the Nordstrom Anniversary Sale. So I do a few pair, at least two pair, I think, of Mother Denim to share with you. All right, these have a nice, amazing stretch to them. Like, I did size up because I just wanted them to be a little bit more relaxed. I think these are still fine with the size up. I normally wear a 26. These are a 27. You can see they're long, so they're most likely 31 or 32 inches. I have a 28-inch inseam and can carry about up to 30 pretty well. Once it gets past that, it's a little long, so I have to decide if I would get these hemmed. But they have that little bit of the Kick It bottom to them, so like a little like a mini boot, I guess you could call it. They feel so nice on, lots of stretch and give, nice straight leg. I really like these. Then I paired it with this open edit little top, I'll call it, or a cardigan you could call it. It buttons down the front, has those wider sleeves. I think this is super pretty for dressing up an outfit. It has that flared bottom or a little bit of the peplum style. The sleeves are just maybe, I wish they were like half an inch shorter, but I think I can make them work. Very, very pretty. And then for shoes, how about these fun shoes by Dolce Vita, the animal print. Fun little kitten heel. This is, you can wear these now or later, and they're just going to bring some spice to any outfit. I really like those. All right, so let me know if you think I should keep this denim and get them hemmed, or just wear a really high heel with them, right? This is called the Kick It High Waist Straight Leg Jean by Mother. And the regular price that I got these for is $185.99, and I'm wearing a size 27. All right, and for this cute little top by Open Edit, this one is called the Button Front Peplum Cardigan. I got it for $65.99. I'm wearing an extra small, and the regular price for this one is $99.50, 33% off. For these amazing shoes that I'm so in love with by Dolce Vita. They're called the Dolce Vita Cleo Pointed Toe Kitten Mule Heel. I got them for $99.99. The original price is $150, so they were 33% off. Next outfit. All right, this is a fun one. I love this jacket, right? How fun is this? And it has the little embellishments, so all the little sparkle, but I feel like it's not overdone. It's just a nice pop. This would elevate anything from a t-shirt and jeans to a dress if you have a night out, something formal, a winter wedding. It feels so weird trying on fall clothes. It is 80 degrees outside here today, but this is something I think is definitely worth grabbing. If you grab any of these pieces, grab them fast. They sell out so fast. Mother denim is one of the ones that goes incredibly fast. This pair is rag and bone actually, but they'll also go really fast. All the premium denim will. But this is adorable. I love this. It does have snap closure. Oh, this is adorable. It's adorable, right? It's just like an elevated fur jacket for all the things. I love it. All right, so then I paired it with these. I have the same top because I didn't buy any more tops. But these rag and bone denim, how awesome are these? They're in a lighter wash than the mother pair I shared with you. These do not have stretch, so I sized up. So I have a 27 on, and they're also cropped, at least for me. They're hitting me at my top of my foot, so now I don't have to worry about hemming or length. They'll be cute with boots or with sandals or flats. Super cute. I'm really liking these. These definitely have a straight leg look to them, no flare at the bottom. Definitely a keeper. I really like these. I do have a little bit of room since I sized up, but I think that's okay. Then I put on the Dolce Vita little kitten heel with the bow this time. I like that animal print. It had kind of that squared toe. This one just has a little bow at the toe. I will tell you these are noisy, so if you have ideas of how to lessen noise, I'm thinking a little insert would probably do it. Let me know, because I think these are really cute. I like the neutral. They're going to go with everything. So cute. Yep. We'll start from the bottom up. For the Dolce Vita Cleo pointed toe kitten heel mule, $89.99 was my price. The original price is $135 at 33% off. For this, the rag and bone jeans, these are the Harlow mid-rise straight leg ankle length jean. $278 is the regular price. Got them for $185.99 at 33% off. And as I mentioned, my normal size is a 26. I'm wearing a 27 in these. For this amazing jacket, it's called the CC Rhinestone Button Faux Fur Jacket. It does come in two colors, black or cream. So if you'd rather have the black, which I think would be gorgeous as well. $250 regular price. It's 44% off during the sale. $139.99. And I'm wearing a small. Final outfit. Okay. This is my second pair of mother denim, and then I put on this amazing fur vest and a splurge for this one, my Stuart Weitzman little sandals. Let's talk about these. All right, we're going to start with the sandals. So cute. They have the double strap across your feet and then strap around your ankle. Cute little kitten heel in a nude. They have a patent leather shine to them. So far, very comfortable. I love them for just a classic sandal. They're going to go with everything. You can wear them with dresses, with jeans, with anything. They're going to look beautiful. So I did grab those, and I'm hoping that they stay comfortable. Next up is these mother denim. I like these. These are a wider leg, as you can see. Again, these are a really great length for me, like the last pair, but a little bit longer. I do need a tiny bit of a heel. But these will work nicely. I sized up to a 27 in these as well. And I do have a little bit of room, which just gives me a little bit of relax through the hips, which is why I did it. I'm liking the wash and the overall fit. The vest. The vest is your statement piece, right? It has the fun little toggles. It is so yummy soft. It's not even funny. Such a great topper whenever the weather starts to change. It feels delicious on. So cute, right? Oh, grab this before it's gone. You're going to love it. All right, that's all my pieces. We did it. We made it through everything. You have to let me know what your favorites were. And as always, I will put all the links for all of these items down below so you can check them out. The Stuart Weitzman Minimalist 50 Sandal, $4.75 is regular price. Got them for $319.99. They have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 different colors. So if you don't need nude, instead you want black, they have it. Go check that one out. Then for the jeans, these are the Mother, the Bookie Sneak mid-waist boot cut jean. And they're $2.98 regular price. I got them for $198.99. So it says about this one that it is the label's popular mid-rise boot cut jean. So I guess it's not a wide leg, it's a boot cut, elevating everyday casual looks, cut in a slightly loose fit and a clean hem with a subtle leg elongating kick out. They're made from the loosens up over time superior denim that enhances the vintage 70s inspired vibe. These have a 32-inch inseam, which doesn't really feel that way to me. They're not anywhere near as long as the other ones. The other pair must have been a 34-inch. And they are 95% cotton, 3% polyester, and 2% polyurethane. All right, then for the last item here, which is this Yummy Yummy faux fur vest. It's by Bernardo, and it is $209 regular price. I got it for $129.99 during the sale. That's 37% off. So I love this toggle in the shawl collar. This is a dry clean only item, but I'm really in love. What do you think of this haul? It's time to go shop the Nordstrom Anniversary SALE, right? Don't forget to share your favorites. All the links are down below, so please do check any of those out before they're gone. Thanks for hanging out with me today, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and swipe right before you go so I can keep on doing this. Catch you next time. Bye-bye.